Jai Srimannarayana. 24th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Avyaktam Vyaktimapannam Manyante Mama Buddhayaha Param bhavam ajananto mamavyayam anuttamam Om. Realize and always remember that Srimannarayana came down in the form of Sri Krishna Paramatma without compromising his divinity and higher nature. Out of love and compassion for all of us, Srimannarayana came down in the form of Sri Krishna Paramatma to be a source of shelter for every one of us. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, I shall remember that you are none other than Srimannarayana. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 43rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Vasudeva prayed to Srimannarayana, who is there right in front of him in the form of his own son. And Vasudeva also said, Hey Bhagavan, if Kamsa comes to know that you are born, he will come with a weapon to kill you." Like that he said. After that Devaki Devi, Devaki yenam atmajam vikshya mahapurusha lakshanam Devaki tam upadhavat. Devaki also has seen her own son. He is associated with so many divine indications with Paramapurusha's indications. And Devaki Devi, while surprising to see her own son, she is praying like this. He Bhagavan, Rupam yettat prahuhu avyaktam adyam brahmajyotihi nirgunam nirvikaram sattamatram nirvisesham niriham sattvam sakshat vishnuhu adhyatmadīpaha. అట్టిట్టిదనరాణిదై మొదలై నిండుకొన్నదై వెలుగుచు చెప్పరానిది ఏ రూపమని శృతులు ఎప్పుడు నడివెడి. హే భగవన్, యువర్ డివైన్ స్వరూపం కెనాట్ బి పర్సీవ్డ్ బై సెన్సరీ ఆర్గాన్స్. You are the root cause for this entire Srishti. You are Parabrahma. All your rupas, forms, have no contamination at all. And all your gunas, attributes, has no contamination at all, no dosham at all. And you are the main object for all Veda mantras. Bhagavan, if we know you, it is equivalent that we know everything. If we realized you, it is equivalent that we realized everything. Everything comes out from you. Bhagavan, you are Sarvakarana Karana. You are the cause of all causes. You are Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu. Like that, Devaki Devi praying to Sriman Narayana. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 24th sloka. Avyaktam vyaktimapannam manyante mama buddhayaha param bhavamajanantaha mamavyayamanuttama. అవ్యక్తం వ్యక్తిమాపన్నం మన్యంతే మామ బుద్ధయః పరం భావమజానంతః మమావ్యయమనుత్తమం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.